Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from Absolve giving tips to Salesforce. Today we're gonna learn about how to change a field name, which we calling it in Salesforce field label. So what we need to know that the field has two names associated to it. So we have field label, we have API name for that field. So that's gonna be quick. We click on setup on the gear icon, then edit object. So let's say we're gonna change. Let's say we're gonna change the name of this field. What is your business? What do you sell? Okay. So we're gonna go to fields and relationship and search for that field name. What is your business? Okay. So what is your business? What do you sell? Okay. So we're gonna hit edit here. So we can see the field label. This text here, that's the field name on the page layout. So what you do changing here, that will appear on the page layout. So this one, that's the API name for the field. So when we are using Apex on Salesforce, which we will learn in next videos. So when we are using Apex, we're gonna call this field in this name. Let's say that's the ID for this field. Okay, so let's try to delete the next section here and leave it as what is your business and then save. Okay, be careful when changing the label as it may affect existing merge templates. So it's just only an alert. um, Maybe you will see this field as let's say you are using that in a report. The report will be changed to the new name. So if we are refreshing here, that may take a little bit time to be changed, like from 1 to 2 minutes. We'll get you back. Okay, so now we can see that the second part of that field name now deleted, and we changed that to what is your business. So that's how to change a field name in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content.